It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2017 F-150 XLT in Oxford white. It has black sport cloth interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 6.5-foot box. You also have navigation, reverse camera, power sliding rear window, and many more features, as well as the FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates. If you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book that online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned, we're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. And by the way, this has a 5-liter V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. This is a 5-liter V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver and passenger seat are powered with lumbar. Carpet mats on the floor. You have your power pedals located here, lighting controls. There's a grab handle as well as a running board, and that just makes it easier to get in. On the face of the steering wheel is your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and hands-free dialing. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, your odometer reading, and the menu will come up as well. And we can go into that. Display mode, trip fuel, towing, off-road, settings, and these all have sub-menus. In the center, there's a little cubby. You've got your hill descent, traction control, hazard lights. And right now we can touch on the screen for our sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, and Bluetooth. You also have navigation. You can touch on there for the map. And when we put the vehicle in reverse, we're going to see our backup camera view. So right off the bumper, there's your center line, green, yellow, red. It's just showing you how close you are to other objects or vehicles when going in reverse. And then we also have the ability to go back home to the different options, and we can go into our settings, slide through. There's Bluetooth again, general. You can change the look of your display, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and these all have sub-menus that you can click into. Volume and tuner. There's your CD player. There's your fan, heated seats for driver and passenger, front and rear defrost, AC and max AC, and in the cubby, a couple of USB outlets and a place to put items, and then you just press in the center, it'll close right up. 4x4 with locking differential and Pro Trailer backup. Got a little cubby there. Automatic select shifter, and you have tow haul and sport, and that'll appear to the right of the odometer reading. So there's the tow haul first, and then the S for sport, and then off again. And then in the center, you've got a couple of cup holders, nice armrest here, generous space down below, and then off to the side, you have a 12-volt and a 110 locking glove compartment, grab handle in the body. And you also have an auto-dimming rear view mirror, your lighting controls, sunglass holder, and there's a power sliding window in the rear, and that's what that button's for. 24-inch wheels, running board, body color door handle, keyless entry keypad, driver's side, fuel cap. In the back, the white handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable, and just below the handle is where your backup camera is located. LED light is to the right. You also have a 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. And when you're ready to open it up, you simply put your hand in the latch. We'll bring it right down, and you have a nice spray-in liner as well as a tonneau cover. There's tie downs in all 4 corners, and when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. And this door opens 170 degrees. This allows you to get bigger items in the back and gives you a little more room, which is kind of nice. And you've got seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Simply lift the seat with one hand, it's in the upright position, and then pull the tab, it'll bring it right down, anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. And in the center is a couple of cup holders, air vents on each side, 12-volt USB outlets, and a 110-volt. Up top is your lighting, hooks off to the side, and in the back, access to a power sliding window with rear defrost. Black bumper, 6.5-foot line box with tonneau cover, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, adjustable side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we'd love to hear your comments.